Hello YouTube, this is Grow It Build It, and today I'm going to show you how to germinate brown-eyed Susan. It's Rudbeckia Triloba. So it's related to the black-eyed Susan that is a very popular flower that they sell at most garden centers, box stores. This is seed that I had gathered myself from a plant that I had previously grown. This plant will make flowers that are about 3 inches in diameter or so. It'll make a whole lot of small blooms. Here I'll show you what the seeds look like. To get these, just get some dead seed heads from a plant, and you can essentially throw them in a paper bag and shake the bag around, and what comes out is going to be some chaff and those little black things there. Little black bits are the seed. This seed, to get a good germination rate, you should winter sow it, or cold moist stratify it for at least a month. It's February right now, and I'm doing that. And all you really need to do here is sprinkle some seed onto the pot you're going to use. Give it a dusting of soil, and then I always put a little more seed on top of it as well, and just water it in. As you can see, I'm not doing a 6-pack here. I'm only doing one pot because I only want one of these in an isolated location. And the reason for that is based on my past experience. The literature you see on these says they'll get, 4 foot tall and need 3 foot spacing. Well, this particular plant that I gathered the seed from, it actually was 8 foot tall at its peak. And the spread on it was, at least 2 feet on each side. So it's very big, very aggressive. In addition to that, it seeded itself everywhere. So it became a little bit of a chore in the spring to pull seedlings. Anyways, that's about it really. All you need to do now is to water in your seed. And you should be pretty much good to go. But it is a nice plant. It's a showy plant. It blooms for an incredibly long period of time. It's good for pollinators. But just be aware, it can get pretty big. In fact, there's a picture of the 8-foot monster. It wasn't quite 8 feet yet, but it was getting there. Here's the same plant a little bit later with some other flowers blooming. But that's what the brown-eyed Susan looks like. And there it is when it's very young. That's a first-year seedling.